How to make typewriter effect in text. Click the Type tool and click on your preview screen. Now type your text. Go over to Essential Graphics and customize your text. You can resize, align, or change fonts as you like. Go over to Effects tab and type in Crop. Add it to your text layer. Select the text layer and go to Effects Control tab. Under Effect Controls, find the Crop effect. Move the playhead to text layer starting point. Click the toggle animation button next to right and change the value to 100. Now move ahead a few seconds and change the value back to 0. Now you can see the preview like this. You can change the distance of the keyframes. It will change the speed of the animation. Now you can add sound effect. This is the final result. I think this video is helpful to you, so don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.